Hi everyone, it's your boy Ricky here with Bromero Cards for Honeybee Stamps. Thank you so much for being here today. Y'all, I am having a double espresso 8 o'clock at night on a Wednesday. Is that telling you what kind of night I'm having today? We're going to see if we can get through this video today. Before we get started, just actually before that, we're just going to be using some products from the latest release. We're going to make a fallish Happy Thanksgiving card today. It's going to be mainly die cuts, so it's going to be fun with pattern paper. Before we get started, just a few things. Subscribe to this channel. Click that notification bell so that you know a new video has come out. Third, leave some comments down below. And fourth, share the love. If you know someone that may like this video, that's new to stamping, that might like Honeybee Stamps, that might like a guy that wears interesting glasses sometimes, and today he's not, they're just navy blue, send it over to them. All right, so let's go ahead and look at the things we're going to be using today. All right, we're going to be using the Mini Messages Fall Sentiments. We are going to be using the Forest Floor die cuts. This does come with some coordinating stencils, but we're not using those today. We're just going to use the shapes. We are going to be using the freebie from August, which is a tag. We are going to be using some papers from the Fall is in the Air paper pack here, which is all here. We are going to be using some foam strips from Honeybee Stamps. These fit perfectly in these envelopes. You should get some for these. And then we're going to be using the MISTI. So let me go ahead and get the desk ready for the first step. Okay, as you can see, I've gone ahead and laid out all of the dies onto the paper, how I want to get these cut out. So I'm going to run these through the die cutting machine, and then I'll be right back to show you how we're going to put all these together to make it into a cute little card. Okay, so we have all of our cute little pieces here. So we're going to build the tag first. So the first thing we're going to do is just go ahead and glue this piece here down to the dark piece. There we go. We just want to make sure it's even on all sides. And then how I think I want to do this is kind of like do a little gathering of little things here. So maybe kind of do that. Then maybe put this pumpkin here. And then maybe like this mushroom here. This pumpkin, let's see, maybe down a little bit further. Maybe up, there we go. And then maybe like this little guy here, maybe in the center. And I kind of like that. So I think that's how I'm going to do this. So what I'll do is I'm just going to go off camera and glue this together because it's going to be boring showing me to do that. I will be doing some foam tape on the back of it to give it a little bit of dimension. And then we'll come back and do the next step. Okay, you guys, so I have the tag done. Look how cute that is. All those little pieces there, like all the pattern paper, it just looks super cute. I love it. The next thing we're going to do is go ahead and do the sentiment. And I'm going to choose Happy Thanksgiving because that is very Thanksgiving-ish, if that's a real word. And so we're going to go ahead and get this embossed. Of course, we are going to do white embossing powder on black cardstock because that's just how I do. It's easy, it's fun, I love it. And we're just going to use some clear ink here from Honeybee Stamps to go ahead and get this stamped out. There we go. And then go ahead and get the white powder on. I'll go ahead and get that heated up and embossed. Let's see. Oh, where's the spoon? You guys, I hate it. I hate the touch of this stuff. All right. All right, that looks great. I'm going to go ahead and get this heat embossed, get it cut out into a strip, and then we'll come back and start putting the card together. Okay, so we pretty much have the card done. Now it's time to start putting it together. The first thing I want to do is go ahead and put some gold twine on this. I'm not the best at doing bows, so we're not going to do a bow today, but I will kind of do a, I don't know, like a little wrappy wrap situation to make it kind of look cute. I'm just not very good at the bow tying because, you know, I have these big old man hands that I can't really work out when I am trying to cut them, but I like to just kind of do like a little string situation just to kind of make it look cute like that. And then let's go ahead and get this glued down to the card. Or to the card base, I guess I should say. And then let's use a little bit of liquid glue for this because we want to make sure we get it down into the center of the card base. All right. That's looking good. Make sure it looks pretty straight. That looks good. And then for this, I think I'm just going to put the sentiment across the pumpkins. I think that looks cute. So we're just going to go ahead and get some of the strips here. It's the perfect size. I'm trying to decide if this needs a touch of fancy. You know, I'm not for sure. My head might get in the way. One moment. Actually, let me use these guys. Let me make sure that that's even. That looks great. Okay, you guys, this is the completed card. Nothing super hard, super cute, all this pattern paper, just solid images. So, you know, if you don't have the stencil set that goes with this, you could still easily use the dies that go with it. Again, this was a freebie from a couple months ago that you can use. You can use any tag die you might have. And then, you know, I added this little, this is the touch of fancy, I guess, right there. And then also just to show you side by side, because I did make this card before I decided to do the video, and this is what the other one looks like. So similar, just a different placement of the sentiment, and I added an additional mushroom here. Left one, and I might add one here because I think it looks better with an additional mushroom. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell so that you know a new video has come out. Leave some comments down below. Tell me how you would have made this card, what colors you would have used, all that great stuff. And fourth, share the love. If you know someone that may like this video, go ahead and send it out to them. So until next time, I hope you all have a great week, great day, great night, whatever time it is. I finished my coffee. It's 8:40. And now it's going to be time to head to bed soon. So anyway, you guys, thank you so much for being here, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.